Hi everybody, my name is Nicole Kosh. I'm the founder behind NicMarie Design. I create and formulate recipes for sensitive skin care and sensitive scalps. So today I'm just going to share what I'm doing for my beginning of the morning routine. I've already washed it with my favorite cleanser that I've been using lately, the CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser for normal to oily skin. I've used the other one. I don't really see a big difference. I think that one's for dry to normal. I like both. And then next, I want to show you how I use this Dermaplaner. They're the easiest thing I've used for taking hair, like fine hairs, off of my face. I get a lot of like peach fuzz and even dark hairs under here. So I just want to show how to use this because it is a razor. And I also want to say, don't use a razor on your face. I've also liked using these little guys, but I can't find them anymore. So these have a little bit extra protection, I think, with the plastic design of it. But this is what I've been using lately. So you want to already have washed your face, first of all. And second of all, I find that it will glide a little bit better after putting on some type of like face oil maybe. So I'm gonna use my new SPF recipe that I'm working on. It has an avocado oil base and I have zinc oxide added to it for SPF protection. And anybody with eczema, I've also learned that zinc oxide is beneficial for irritated eczema-like skin. So I just have it in a dropper bottle here. I shake it up. I'm hoping to be selling this soon. Let me know if you want to try it. So I just did a few drops. I like to press it in. It's better than like pulling your skin. Massage those glands. There you go. Okay. Dermaplaner. So it comes with a little protective cover. You take that off and then, so for my mouth, you're just gonna go towards the mouth. And you wanna flatten out your face. Put it on an angle. You want to do short, soft, gentle strokes. I don't know if you can see this. So it's taking off dead skin and little whiskers. Be extra gentle around this nose area. So see how I'm putting this on an angle? There we go. So that's what it's taking off. The little hairs and dead skin. And I just kind of like wipe it off my finger. And then so they're just fine hairs, but I find it like an easy way to exfoliate. Sometimes I'll do this once a month, all around my face, and then around my mouth more often, maybe once a week or so. But I like how it gives my face like a nice skin, nice smooth texture. And then sometimes I'll do like around here. See, I don't know if you can see that in the light. So that's dead skin and like peach fuzz. So this is less expensive and I feel like I have more control over what's touching my face, rather than going, I can't do waxing. It makes my skin break out every time. Sugaring, I do like, I just can't do it as, it's not as convenient as I need it to be for as often as I need to remove hair off my face. So that's that. I also use it to take off like hair on my toes. Just make sure you're going with the growth of the hair, the same, as opposed to shaving. Like if you're shaving your legs, you want to go opposite. This, you want to go with the way the skin or the hair grows. And it doesn't grow back really strong. It comes back softer. So that's another thing I like about using these little Dermaplaners. So check them out, NicMarie design. They come in this light orangey peach color, pink, and blue. So NicMarie design, check it out. Self-care. Don't forget to take care of yourself so you may breathe confidence throughout your day. Bye.